an attempt to become a better YouTuber and look more professional, I have been buying bits and bobs for my camera, and one of the things I've needed for a long time is a viewfinder, a monitor that I can see what the camera sees, because I've had problems for a while trying to look in the small screen and so on. It's still good, it's better than the camera I used to have, but I would like a bigger one that is enough. I'd like a bigger screen that I can have access to and I can see from more of a distance, especially when we're doing on-site shots and so on. So I went out and I bought this. This was £23.59, I believe, and let's just unbox it, have a look at it, and let's see if it's any good. For that price, it's, you know, the lower end. You can get them for £300-400. I just need something that I can see what the camera sees in it from a bit more of a distance than just through the small, 2-inch screen that I've got on it at the moment. Before I get on, I'd just like to thank my patrons. Thank you guys so much for your help. I really do appreciate everything you've done, and if you'd like to join them, all the links are in the description. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, so it's in this nondescript box, like a lot of things are from China these days. And we have this, which is just telling me which way round I think the power has to go. And some bits. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, let's get it out and have a look. There's absolutely, I think that might be the entirety of the user manual. Yeah, it is, yeah. Okay, so let's have a look then. So the longer bit goes to the monitor, and the shorter bit is power. So let's open it and have a look. Feels pretty low quality, but it doesn't matter. It wasn't super expensive. So the long piece goes to the monitor. I'm just a bit confused by the lack of anything else with this. Like, no, that is probably the worst instruction manual I've ever had. Let's have a look online. Okay, so I think, not 100% sure, this goes in here like so, and then I think this is just power, so I'm going to plug it in. Nothing much more I can do. Yep, and there's power. So let's try some USB-ness. Okay, so I'm going to wire up this in quite a haphazard way, and let's see if this works. I'm going to go, this is literally the most janky way of wiring anything up. Okay, there you go. It's fairly good. And this is now just power and the HDMI to the camera, which is pretty good. I have actually got a few other bits, but it's got speakers with it as well. Not that I'll be using them, but yeah, fairly good. Okay, it's not the best, screen in the world. The quality isn't fab, but it's exactly what I needed, and for £23-ish, it's definitely worth that. I looked at some that were £300-400. They're well out of my price range. I just need something that I can view the camera in from a distance, and this ticks all the boxes. It would have been nice if there was better hardware with it to connect it to the camera, and the screw that connects basically the screen to the piece of metal that connects to the camera wasn't the right screw. It's completely wrong. So I'm going to have to make a little bit of hardware to connect it all together. together. Again, though, that's not really a major problem. I'm happy to do that. But yeah, it works okay. There are much better versions out there, but for £23-24, you know, it's not breaking the bank. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.